so we got our drip irrigation unpackaged. I want to show you how everything works here because it's a really cool system. These are going to be your connector pieces here. You can see these blue rings on everything. Those push down. You can hear that little snap. So this is like a shark bite system. So when you push this in, it's going to lock automatically. You can't pull it out. To pull it out, you just pull that blue ring, slide it right out. Really awesome system. I love it. Your sprayers are going to go up here. Same thing. Can't get it out unless you pull that down. So these are flexible. When we install these in our garden, we're going to be pointing them down towards the dirt. And to cut your tubing to size, they include a tool here, which is really nice. You're going to take that tool, just put your tubing in there wherever your length it needs to be, snap it right off. Really easy to cut. You're also going to get these, which you can attach your tubing to wooden post or whatever if you're doing it that way. So they give you a lot of different ways to install. We're not going to be using those. Also zip ties. So let's get this into the garden, show you how it's going to be installed. All right, so we've got our irrigation piping laid out where we want it. And a quick tip, make sure you hook up the hose and run water through your irrigation tubing before you hook up your attachments for your nozzles, because you want to run all the dirt out of that line in case you got any in it when you were laying the pipe, because it'll clog up these heads really quick. So just make sure you run water through, clear it out. To put these in, we're going to put one right here. So we got our clips. We're just going to cut that right there, and then take your piece and kind of do it short. So we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it right there. Slide that in. Real easy. And slide that in. And we're going to take our nozzle, slide it in, and that's how you do it. So you can direct these however you want to. We're going to have ours going down to the ground like this. And there you go. All right, so we got our irrigation system hooked up, got the water flowing. You can see it's going on our onions back here. And get you a little closer shot on our Brussels sprouts. So you can see these mist out really nice. Got them adjusted how we want them. And over here, see how nice these are spraying. So we're going to be putting tomatoes over here on this side. So we've got everything ready to go. You can see we got our chickens over there. This irrigation system turned out better than we thought, and we're really happy with it. And it's going to make it really nice and easy to keep good water in our garden.